by close. Now in Oracle close by in Oracle group by close is used to select statements to collect data from multiple records and group the result by one or more columns. Now this is a syntax where columns arrangement function and grouped by expression. Now I am going to see. I have already one table. My table name is customers. This is a customer table is already there, age, name, and now I am going to see this select state. Select state here. Where is the state? Okay, first I am going to see my table. Okay, go now, paste here. Okay, select star from customers. Curiosity or customers. Okay, these all are customers. Now where salary, there is no state column. Okay, order by state. Now city, order by city. Salary, state, there is no state, we have to use city column. Okay, city column, count. Okay, now I am going to enter. See here, total number of customers, Paris customers 5, Delhi 1. Okay, this way we are getting actual records is this number of customers, city, and where salary. Now I rearranged. See here, city number of customers we are going to find. Where is the city? This is the city. Total records is 9 records. Paris is 5 records. City as count. Okay, same way we can use number. Customer ID. Customer ID. Okay, same here also. This we going to enter. Okay, grouped by customer ID. Now going to enter. See here, these all are customer ID 1, 2, 4, 5 records. This way we are printing. Go and check here. See here, customer ID 1, 4 is 5 records. This way we are completed. Okay, what is the condition? Oracle grouped by class is used to select statement to collect data from multiple records. Okay, multiple records, and group the result by one or more columns. See here, one or more columns. This way we are using grouped by where. Okay, this what is this expression? As example, Salesforce. Okay, we don't have table, we have to enter tables. Items, same way here using item and item. Okay, we don't have tables. Okay, grouped by customer table we have we have using here my customer table column name is city. Here also I am using a city. Same way I am changed uh, number, customer id and customer id grouped by. Here also with mini functions, min functions also using lowest salary. Okay, here also we have customer table. Here salary is there. Same way we can use lowest salary. Same way we go and see employee department min salary. Okay, same way I am going to change in customer table. Okay, this is the existing query. This is existing query. My department customer id. Okay, here min function is using. Okay, min function here is using salary lowest salary has lowest salary, wage salary. Here also department grouped order. Okay, now I am going to enter. See here min salary 20. Here one record. Okay, 2 records and 4 records min salary. Okay, lowest salary. This way we are completed. Here customers department. Here customer select star from department. There is no department. If you want to, we can use city, C by T by city. Here also we can use city. See here city. Okay, lowest salary. Lowest salary. Department Delhi 3. This way we are using a min function also. Now we are completed. Okay, department. Okay, lowest salary. $20,000, $40,000. Like this. Next we can see